Hey guys, Rob here. Today I'm just doing a little video on my new custom that I'm painting right now. Um, I haven't even painted him in robot mode yet, just vehicle mode. It's Ratchet from Revenge of the Fallen. And let's see, I painted him all flat black, except for his rims. I just really painted them. There we go. Painted that front grille and underneath red just a little while ago, and the back. When this dries, I'll probably start doing the robot mode. And that's underneath. Haven't touched that yet. Still working on the other thing. Anyway, that's my new custom that I'm working on, and I'll be finished by probably Friday. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more.